Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Begin by gathering ingredients: 36 Oreo cookies, 8 Oz cream cheese, and 12 Oz chocolate for coating, plus optional sprinkles. Unwrap and separate any cream if desired. Whole cookies work fine. Place cookies in a food processor and pulse to fine crumbs or crush in a sealed bag with a rolling pin. Measure ingredients precisely. 8 Oz equals 1 block of cream cheese, 12 Oz chocolate equals about 340 grams. Combine and chill the blended mixture for 30 minutes to firm it before shaping. Transfer the Oreo crumbs to a bowl and mix with 8 Oz cream cheese until the texture is smooth and uniform. Use a spoon or electric mixer on low. Scoop and roll the mixture into 1-inch balls, using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop for consistent sizing, and compress slightly so they hold shape. Place balls on a parchment-lined tray and chill for at least 30 minutes so they firm up. Chilling prevents melting when you dip them in warm chocolate later during the coating stage. Melt 12 Oz chocolate using a double boiler, stirring until smooth, or microwave in 30-second bursts, stirring between each burst to avoid burning. Use a fork or dipping tool to submerge each chilled truffle. Tap the fork gently on the bowl edge to remove excess chocolate and set truffles on parchment. Optionally drizzle contrasting chocolate or add sprinkles before the coating sets. Store finished truffles refrigerated up to 7 days, or freeze them in an airtight container up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.